Imagine the power to customize your car's performance at your fingertips. Welcome to the world of aftermarket ECU installation. This isn't just about adding a bit of oomph to your drive, it's a transformative process that brings a multitude of benefits to your vehicle. An aftermarket ECU or engine control unit is a high-tech device that manages your car's engine functions. It's like having a master control panel for your engine. With it, you can optimize for increased horsepower, ensuring your car's performance matches your driving style. You can also improve fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump, and reducing your environmental impact. But the real beauty of an aftermarket ECU lies in its customizable performance settings. This means you can tweak and fine-tune your engine to your heart's content, providing a more precise control over its functions. In essence, an aftermarket ECU is like giving your car a brain upgrade, allowing it to run more efficiently and powerfully. Now that you understand the benefits, let's delve into the process of retrofitting standalone engine management computers. The first step in the retrofitting process is to select a suitable aftermarket ECU. This decision should be based on your car model and your performance goals. There's a wide variety of aftermarket ECUs available, each offering different features and capabilities. Whether you're looking for improved fuel economy, more power, or enhanced control over your engine's functions, there's an ECU out there that fits your needs. Once you've selected the right ECU, the next step is the actual installation. This begins with removing the factory ECU from your vehicle. Remember, it's crucial to disconnect the battery before you start to avoid any electrical mishaps. After you've safely removed the factory ECU, you can begin installing your new aftermarket ECU. Now this is where things get a bit technical. The aftermarket ECU needs to be connected to your car's wiring. This can be a complex task, depending on the car model and the ECU's design. Some ECUs might plug right into your vehicle's existing wiring harness, while others may require additional wiring or adapters. Always make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure a proper installation. Finally, once the ECU is physically installed and connected, it's time for the tuning process. This is where the magic happens. The ECU is programmed to optimize the car's performance based on your specific goals. This could mean adjusting the fuel-air mixture for better fuel economy, tweaking the ignition timing for more power, or even fine-tuning the throttle response for smoother driving. It's like giving your car a custom-tailored suit, designed to fit it perfectly and enhance its best features. And that's it. While the process may seem daunting, with the right tools and a little patience, it's entirely doable. Remember, the goal here is to improve your car's performance and make it more enjoyable to drive. With the right tools and knowledge, retrofitting an ECU can be a game-changer for your car's performance. So to recap what we've discussed today, we dove into the importance of aftermarket ECU installation, a process that can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a complete transformation of your car's engine management system. We also walked you through the steps of retrofitting an ECU. Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all operation. The right ECU will depend on your specific vehicle and performance goals. Once it's installed, it's crucial to fine-tune your new system to ensure it's working optimally. This retrofitting process is more than just swapping out components. It's about understanding your car, its engine, and how the right ECU can make them work together more efficiently. It's about unlocking the full potential of your car, making it more responsive, more powerful, and more enjoyable to drive. Remember, an aftermarket ECU is more than just a component, it's a tool that can unlock your car's full potential.